chapter 6, I believe. So that's a chapter 6, section 6.3. We have a point on the graph, 6 and -1, and they're asking us where this point will be after this transformation. So by looking at this question, you need to write the standard form for the all type of transformation, which is y equal to a, I'm gonna say g, then b x minus h plus k. So we need to find, so in order to answer this question, we need to make this exactly on this form. And in our note sheet, we know what A should do, what should we do with B and H and K. So I'm going to make this one, part A, to exactly this format. I see a parenthesis here. So, no, the parenthesis is this parenthesis for here, which is good. We also have parenthesis here. But there's another parenthesis that our formula doesn't have. So our formula doesn't have this extra parenthesis. I will multiply by -1. We're going to have negative g 1/3 x plus 4 plus 8. So this is our formula. In this example, we have, this is A is -1, B is 1/3, this is B, or this is B, H is -4, here our formula has -4, so H is negative, and K is positive 8. All right, so let's say we have a graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is, let's say this is a graph, and the point 6 and -1 is on the graph. So now let's apply the transformation. This negative, it will flip it on the x-axis. So we're going to have here something like this. So after applying A, the point 6 and -1 will be on 6 and +1. So we did 1. Now we look at the B. B is 1/3. We usually do opposite. So we're going to do stretch horizontally by factor of 1 over 1/3, which is 3. So we're going to have, so this point will be, so by factor of 3, so this will multiply by the 8, by the 6. We're going to have somewhere around here 18, comma 1. Anything happens inside of the function here, we apply on the x-axis. We're going to have 18, comma 1. So we took care of the B. H is -4. So we're going to shift it 4 units to the left. We're going to have 14, comma 1. So 18 minus 4 will be 14, comma 1. So this is a point on the graph. Now we have to apply the K, so you move it 4 units, 8 units up, which will be 14, comma 9. So this will be the final answer for part A. So I believe I need more place for the part B. So let me get another layer. So we have 0.6 comma -1. I'm going to apply new function will be 1/2 g -5x minus 15 minus 8. In order to see all the transformation, I need to find a, b, h, and k. In order to find this, I need to make this one exactly same format as y equal to a g of parenthesis b x minus h close the parenthesis plus k. So here we have one parenthesis only, but our formula has two parentheses, and then this is b. So inside of x minus h, x, the coefficient should be 1, but here we have -5. So I'm going to factor the -5, and I'm going to get x plus 3. Then g, close the parenthesis, 1/2 minus 8. So I think this is exactly the same as the formula A. This is B, that's H, that's K. So A is 1/2, B is -5, H is -3, K is -5. So this H here is positive, but the formula has -h. So that means this was -3. So H is -3. So we have a point. This is a graph. This point is 6, -1. We apply 1/2. This 1/2 is outside of function. Outside means it will apply to the y value. Inside will apply to the x value. Outside apply to the y value. This is more than 1, so it will be this is less than 1, so it will be compressed vertically. So it will be compressed vertically. For example, it will be something like that. But the point will be, after applying 1/2, the point will be 6, -1/2. Just multiply -1 by 1/2. Then we're going to apply the b. So there is a negative and 5. So you apply the 5, so we're going to multiply by 1/5 to the value of x. It will be compressed horizontally by a factor of 1/5. So this new point will be 6/5, -1/2. So it's still on this quadrant, we are here. Now if you apply the negative, this negative will reflect on the y-axis. Everything will be over here. So this will be negative. So that will be -6/5, -1/2. So now we are here. Now we're going to apply h. So we did b, we did 5, we apply one negative number. Now h is -3. So we're going to go to left 3 units. 1, 2, 3 is going to be here. That means -6/5 minus 3. It will be -6 minus 15/5 with -21/5. So after shifting 3 units here, we will get -21/5. So we have -21/5, -1/2. Now we have to apply k, which is -8. That means we're going to shift it 8 units down on the y. So this is going to go 8 units down here. It will be negative 1/2 minus 8 will be negative 1 minus 16 over 2 with negative 17 over 2. So the final answer will be negative 21 over 5, comma, negative 17 over 2. So the main concept here is converting to this form and then follow your note sheet what A will do, what B will apply. So just apply to the points. You don't need to, so I didn't start from inside of the parenthesis. I applied from here. I applied A, then I applied B, then I applied H, then I applied K.